pressed it.
Okay, alright. Well, my 6-year-old's holding the phone, so let's see how this goes. Hold it up at my face.
Okay.
So what we're going to do is we're going to do poor man's cabinet, under cabinet lighting. These are 10 bucks a piece at Lowe's or Home Depot, any of those stores. It's just a nightlight cover.
Okay.
Don't wave it around too much. And then you get something like that. Alright, so let's go back and I'll show you how to... Alright. Got it?
Yes, I got it.
Are you... Alright, so I'm going to show you how to put this in. Come over here.
Oh, this way.
Where are you at? Alright, you got... At me. So
these...
Face? It may seem kind of difficult to put in or whatever, but it's just as easy as putting on a normal plate.
Okay.
You watching?
Yes.
Over here at the thing. See that?
Yeah.
Alright, just hold it right there.
Okay.
This is funny. My cameraman is new.
This is my first day.
Your first day as the cameraman.
Right now, as you can see...
He showed up to work without a shirt on, too. You should see this guy. Alright.
Hey, my name's Liam.
Okay. So it's got these things on
The back.
the back, and it just touches the
Thing.
power sources on the sides of the outlet. And they have these for switches, too.
As you can see, he's putting it in.
Look how easy that was. Did you get that?
Yeah.
Did you get how easy that was? Look, I'm not even looking at the thing. I'm looking at the camera to see how easy it is.
You just pop it in.
Oh yeah, it is that easy. And if you don't have the rectangle shaped ones, you have like that circle shaped one. They have that too. And then you just put these on.
You just screw those nails in.
Screw the little screws.
Yeah. With this. And to do this, you use a screwdriver to take it out and put it in, right?
Yeah, man, we gotta clean the kitchen. Show everyone in the whole world our dirty kitchen.
Yeah.
All right, and we don't need that sticker on there because we know it's GFI protected.
So we don't need that sticker. My dad just peeled it off.
All right, so under cabinet lights, you got it? You holding the camera?
Yeah.
So under cabinet lights are kind of expensive. And if you're not already wired in for them, then you have to plug them into all your outlets, and that's just one more thing taking up spots because everybody has a million kitchen gadgets.
Hey, Daddy, why don't you show them what size the screwdriver is so they know?
It's a flathead screwdriver. That's all you need. That is it. They can see. All right. So I'm just going to go around and do all of the outlets, and then when it's dark outside, I'll do another video of how it turned out. Thanks for checking out this video.
Hi.